This is the snow from last night, guys. It is up over my kitchen window almost. Look at that. It's like 3/4 of the way up my door here. Isn't this crazy? My whole deck is covered. Coffee to wake up. I've been up since 4 this morning. It is now 6:12. And this is out in the backyard overlooking the lake. And it's just coming down. We already lost satellite this morning, so our TV is out, and so no TV this morning. And as you can see, it is just coming down like just crazy out there, and everybody's sleeping. It's 6:17, and I have my little candle going. It's the cinnamon and cloves from Bath and Body Works. Look at that snow. It's just blowing like crazy off the roof too. I don't know when it's gonna stop. But we will see. Good thing we got more of this. The guy that does our driveway will probably get here around noontime because the schools have been canceled already today. And so he'll plow us out once it stops and hopefully sand our driveway really good so that we can get out today. I've been in now for 3 days because of ice and snow, and I'm ready to get out. It's just been such a long winter, and I am so ready for spring. I want to get outside and work in my gardens and plant my flowers and just get outside and do things. It's just, it's not like me to be sitting in the house like this. I just really, there's only so much you can do inside. You know, laundry, vacuuming, cleaning, organizing. And my house is so stinking organized it isn't funny. I'm just so ready for spring. The snow is like a cruel joke today. Just when I thought spring was coming and I could see my driveway again, I had thoughts of getting out to the nurseries and, you know, looking at flowers, getting in the spring mood. And of course we can't plant anything up here till after Memorial Day. I've been looking in books and looking at different flowers and perennials and annuals that I can plant in my gardens, and I have some plans for the backyard, little flower beds that I want to make, and it's just, it seems like such a long delay, you know. Oh, it's 6:30 now. So I'll be back later and let you know what the snow looks like once it gets light.